Good afternoon and welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. Joining us to answer your toughest personal injury questions is attorney Chris Murray from the Heyman's Law Firm. Chris, great to see you. Let's jump right in. Our viewer Torrance is looking for some advice. Here's the question. My ex-wife came over to my house to pick up our daughter. As she was pulling out, she ran over my foot, and I think it was intentional. A few bones in my foot were broken, resulting in a couple $1,000s in medical bills, and I missed 4 days of work. How do I get reimbursed? Tough situation here, Chris.
It is a tough situation, but normally what we would do in a situation like this is we would bring, obviously, a liability claim against the ex-wife's auto policy. But it can be a bit problematic. And the reason for that is her carrier may deny the claim on the grounds of an intentional act. You see, insurance only covers accidental injuries, not injuries that are caused intentionally. If Torrance was my client, I would recommend that he bring a claim against his wife's auto policy. And in the event that the case were to be denied by her insurer, I would then bring an uninsured motorist claim against his own auto policy, because his auto policy would cover him as a pedestrian. That being said, I'd also take my lawyer hat off and I would say, look, you and your ex-wife have to co-parent your child. We don't want to add any fuel to the fire. Why don't you talk to your ex-wife and say, hey, do you mind if I submit my unpaid medical bills to your insurance? That might help keep the peace.
Right. Well, I mean, either way, it's always important to get a professional opinion like your own. Chris Murray from the Heyman Law Firm, thank you. If you have personal injury questions of your own, email them to asktheattorney@heymanslaw.com. For now, I'm Natasha Lubchenko. We'll see you next week.